Hi, hello, good evening. Today we are going to learn a new project today. Okay, so we have already created a one project. Um, I'll show you my channel page. Okay, so this is my channel page. So here you can see I have already created a Revit project series. So in this playlist, we have the introduction video and the site modeling, wall modeling, floor plan, furniture modeling, and casework, tiling and painting, and lighting video, and structural modeling video, and plumbing modeling video. We will also have another model, which is a electrical model. Okay, so we already shown the electrical modeling here, but we'll also show with the wiring, at least the switch and the receptacle connection will show. Okay, so maybe that we'll learn later. Okay, so please go through this playlist. So some videos are members first. That means the channel members will see first, then it will be available to the public. Okay, so I'm really happy to have 22 channel members. Thank you very much. It's really motivating me to create more videos for you. Lots of viewers are asked for project examples. So that's why I'm starting from a small example. So because we cannot spend more time uh, in making a video, so I'm starting with a small project, and the concept, everything will be same. Okay, so the procedure will be a little bit different if you're working alone or if you're working with a group or if you're working in a different project. Okay, so your seniors will guide you anyways, but as a beginner, you should know the basic. So that's why I'm doing this project series. Okay, so watch this video, watch all the video in the project series, then you will get a better idea. So today I'm going to start with a new project. So that's also a 40 by 60 feet house. It's an Indian house. Okay, so I know the difference between the American house and an Indian house. American house are mostly the wooden house. So here it's made of bricks and concrete. So the house plan will be different, but so you can learn how to create the wall, how to create a floor plan, how to create the lighting, how to put a tiling layout and painting, how to put lights, and how to make a plumbing model, how to make a structural model, how to make a electrical model. So I'm teaching all the discipline because today the industry situation is, if you're joining a small firm or company, they will expect a modeler to model everything. So even though it's a big company, but in some situation, they will ask you to support other discipline also. So that's why it's better to learn all the discipline in Revit. Okay, so let's go one by one. Okay, so let's go with the project two. Okay, so I'm going to close this. So if you want to watch a members only video, then please click on the join button and make a payment. Okay, so this is only 300 rupees. Please support me. Okay, so 300 rupees means one biryani, one time food cost in Bengaluru, India. So please try to support me. Okay, thank you. Let's close. So first of all, we are going to create a new project. We are starting now. Let's go to file, new project. I'm going to create a project. I'm going to create an architecture project. So let's take architecture. It's a project. Okay. So now the first thing what I should do is I have to check out the levels. Actually, grids are not so important because it's a small project and I'm the only person going to work. The grids are important if you're working with a structural team. If it's a big project, then you need a grid. So that will give lots of reference. Okay. So this is an architecture model. Okay. So first, once you create the file, save this file. It's a project 2. Okay. So you can see in the project, first project, I have an architecture file, electrical, plumbing, and structure. The same kind of files we are going to create for the project 2 also. Okay, so this is going to be project 2. So architecture. Let's go to option. So this is a maximum backup file. So I can keep it as 1. And the thumbnail, let it be a 3D view. That's good. So you can change it later if you want. Then save. The file got saved. So today I'm going to show you till the plinth level. Okay, so site modeling is very important. Okay, let's create a site. So before creating anything, you have to check your levels. How many levels I have and what unit I'm using. I can also use a shortcut UN, and I can go here. I can change it to feet and fractional inches. That's good. Okay, and level 0, this is 13. So level 0, let it be road level. Okay, and this is going to be ground level. Rename. Then I need first level, right? Ground floor. Then you can also copy the same to create the next level. um, Rename it as first floor. So you can see the difference, blue and black. So this is happening because first floor view is not added in the project browser. So go here, floor plan, take first floor and say okay. So if you come here, everything is blue. That's good. So we need road level and ground level, first floor. So we can also follow a name and culture. Okay. It has to be level. Okay. Then I need another level. So ground. So from here to here it is ground. The first floor top level we need. So let's call that as roof or terrace. Okay. So do we need a staircase headroom? I don't think so. Yes, it's good to have a staircase headroom. So let's copy the same and show our limit. Rooftop. Okay. So you can also call this as roof. Terrace level is fine. Rooftop. Okay. So let's go to view, plan views, floor plan, and add these views to the project browser. All right, we have all these levels. Let's go to view, 3D view, and you can see this is my level, road level, ground, first and second. Okay, so if the road level is considered as 0, And the ground level is supposed to be around 3 feet, minimum at least 3 feet or 4 feet. And first level going to be 13, so 10 feet difference. And so you can also edit the dimension here. Just put 10. Then the staircase headroom, that can be around 8 feet or 7 feet. Let's put 8 feet. Okay. 7 feet also fine. Let it be 8 feet. Okay, that's fine. Now I have set all the levels. Now I can go to site. Before I go, I'm just going to pin this level so that I don't edit by mistake. And let's go to the ground level. And I'm going to model a site. So I have to mention where the road is and where our property limits. Let's go to massing and site tab. So here I can use a topo solid, and I can draw a floor to show that there is a ground. Okay, so it's just the ground. And then I can go to ground level and I can draw the property line, create by sketch. So my site boundary size, it's just a 40 feet by 60 feet. Okay. So just to keep it inside the 4 elevation. Okay, this is my boundary. Okay, and you can also create one more property line, create by sketch, and show the road location. The road can be around 6 feet away from the boundary, 6 feet or 3 feet, 6 feet at least for the drainage. So totally 8 feet or 20 feet road we can keep. Okay, so this can be open because it's not ending here. We'll get a warning, so that's fine. Okay, we'll get a warning, but this is a road, that's okay. Okay, so now I can edit the topo solid to make it big. Okay, let's keep this as a little big. Okay, and this is my topo solid and this is my site. I can subdivide the road area. Okay, just extend and finish. If I go to view, 3D view, this is my site and this is my road. Let's add a material, road asphalt. Okay, asphalt bitumen. A color, maybe we can change it to a grayscale, gray color. Okay, what? Asphalt bitumen, say okay. Yeah, let's change the topo solid earth depth to around 10 feet so that we can excavate. In case if you want to show excavation, you can show. So otherwise, just leave it for a moment. Okay, I can show you how to excavate this area. Okay, just go to architecture and then go for component model in place, and here you can go for a generic model because there is no road category or excavation category. Do we have an excavation category? No. So go for a generic model. Okay. In case if you have to show the excavation limit, then you can show like this and create a extrusion like this one. You can also see in elevation how much you want to give depth, maybe around 6 feet, and finish. Oh, so this should be minus 6 feet. Finish. So before closing, so we just have to cut with the wide. So now you can see the pit and finish. So this is my site boundary and the excavation limit, let's say. And then so now I can start modeling the compound wall and the exterior wall to show the site. Okay, at least I need that much information to show that as a site. So in case if you want to show the street light or the nearby building, then you can show. Otherwise, just leave it. So in architecture wall, let's take 215 wall exterior and start drawing the wall. So from the road level, it has to go down minus 4 feet at least, and from the ground level I need just 3 feet higher, 3 feet or 4 feet. Half of the man's height, 3 feet is fine. Then I can put a fence on the top. Okay, how to put a fence? Go to architecture and take railing, sketch path, and draw the railing. Draw for full area. Okay, so this is my railing. I can also pick a new host and I can select the wall, or I can just add the height base offset. Now I have the exterior wall. Let's add the interior walls. In case if you want to open the gate, you can do that. For the railing, okay, let's go to site view. For the let's just draw something. This gate location. This is just a line. I used a DL shortcut. Okay, so I need the gate from 1 feet. I need the gate size of at least 13 feet or 12 feet. Okay, 12 feet high I need. So let's select the railing and just cut the railing. Oops. We need the railing till here. Finish. And for the wall also, You can just add a wall opening. That's always better. Wall opening, and select the wall and draw the opening. So if you want to take a section, that's always better. Take a section and correct it. We have elevation. Let's try with the elevation. Till the ground level I need, and so this should be um, 2 feet or 1 feet, and I need total 12 feet opening. Okay, good. Extend. Use a tab if you can't select the correct edge. I think this is all right now. Yes, finish. Okay, so this is my site. Oh, so this is a ground level. South elevation. Take this opening from road level. These levels are inside. I want to extend the levels, right? Let's go to site, view, scope box, and draw the scope box bigger than the project area. Then extend it to the bottom and the top. You can rename the scope box. Okay. Select the level, select all instances in entire project. I selected all the levels, then assign scope box. Done. Good. You can pin the scope box because we don't want to change it anytime, but even by mistake we don't want to change. Okay, now we can draw the exterior walls. Drawing the exterior wall is easy, but it's better to draw the interior wall also. Okay, so here let's, for this video, let's draw only the exterior wall. So this wall going to be 4 feet offset from the boundary. This is going to be 3 feet offset from the boundary. Okay. 5 feet, and we need a car park. So just extend it till here. So this is going to be 10 feet 9 inches. and this wall is 16 feet. Okay, so this is just the exterior wall. Okay, so architecture model basically used for a visualization. So the construction model will be different. So please understand the difference. Okay, I will show you example. For example, for a visualization, so we draw the floor inside the wall. So if it's for a construction, so as in reality, it has to come till the edge of the wall, right? So that's the only difference. Okay, so I'm showing you this because you need to understand the purpose of the model. So this is a ground level wall. So, but it's an exterior wall. We are drawing it till the plinth level. The plinth level starts from the road level minus 4 feet till ground level. Yeah. So let's draw the surrounding slab. Quickly, let's draw the surrounding slab. Architecture, floor. So here it's going to be sit out 5 feet. So this is going to be at the ground level. The floor, we don't need this big. Let's duplicate and let's say 150 mm or 6-inch floor. And I don't need these levels. I just need a structure layer of 6 inches concrete. So far now it's going to be concrete because I'm going to model the finishes as another layer. Okay. Then we need a step. So it's already 3 feet. That means 6 step I need. Let's go for architecture. Then draw the steps. To reduce the number of steps, we can actually add, let's take a section and plan for the level. Okay. So this is a road level. Then we have the gutter. So this is the slab. Okay, so this is the road level. Okay. So I'm taking a shortcut DL. So from here, we have to reach here, right? So what is this angle? This angle, how much it is? I'm using lots of shortcut DI for the dimension. I need angle 9 degrees. 9 degrees is fine actually. We can add how many steps we need. Okay, so for now there is 3 feet difference. In case if we add 3 steps, totally we need a 6 step. Okay, it is 3 feet. 1.5 feet and 1.5 feet we have to rise in slope. Okay, ground level architecture. Let's add a staircase. Ground level, from the ground level minus 1.5 feet to ground level 0. Number of steps 3. Actually I need a cast in place. And okay, structural depth is fine. Minimum riser height is just 6 inches, and minimum tread so 1 feet we can put. Width 4 feet. Okay, then draw. So we are getting 2 steps only. We need to know the difference. Why? Because the next step going to be this slab. Finish. Go to view. So this is a step, right? So railing, let it be. View, 3D view. This railing I don't need. Railing maybe I can add later. Let's focus on the surrounding floor. This is my floor. Um, so this can be ground level, from ground level minus 1.5. So what's the difference now? It has to slope down, right? Let's go to ground level. Take a section. The difference is 1.5 feet. Okay. In the ground level, we are going to have a slope. Let's divide this slab into 2 parts. One slope going to be like this. Delete, delete. Slope arrow from here to here. The tail. Head. Tail is minus 1.5. Head is minus 3. Finish. Go to the section and you can see the difference. Ground level, right? But it goes to the road level. What's wrong? Okay. Finish. Okay, so this is the slope. Let's just put a 6-inch floor. So this is the road level and we'll have a trench. So in case if you are coming down, then we can come down, and if we are walking, then we can reach the steps like this. Okay, then the remaining space, we will have another floor. the height of from ground level minus 1.5 feet. Finish. How it is. Good now. Yeah. And we'll have a small gap here so that can be filled with the wall. Let me show you how to fill. So draw a small wall. So 215 wall. Take an exterior face. From here, you can press a space bar to flip. Here to here, you can draw a wall. Go to 3D view. You can also use this for handrail. It has to start from the road level till ground level. Okay. Section box. Focus on the subject. You can just edit the profile. Turn this off. So I'm using lots of shortcuts. Okay, if you want to know to what shortcut I'm using, then go to view, user interface, and take keyboard shortcuts. I'm supposed to see a shortcut window, but I can't see. I don't know why. Okay, let's try again. I am supposed to see a shortcut window, but I can't see. Okay. All right. So that's all about this video. We are creating the site. The site is ready. How it looks. Great. All right. So let's see you in another video. I will explain you how to do the floor plan. Thank you. Bye-bye.